It's the champion-elect, you could argue. 1 minute 8.541 from him last time through. His way up through the grid and to the top of Cope Shell, we need to pick out, has now also gone. The yesterday's race winner, number 11, as he charges his way out of Redgate Corner. 1 minute 6.744 at the moment sees Gilbert Yates almost 1.5 seconds ahead of anybody else.
And already that's quicker than anybody else has managed to go.
Tomorrow they try and pick their way through and past Gary Redmond's repaired car after yesterday. But the lap time up a little bit. We do need to keep our eye though on the provisional pole sitter Gilbert Yates, because he is fastest in the session at 1 minute 6.744, but the red car with the day glow flashes has just gone absolute best through the first sector.
Coming up to the seconds.
So whether he was too late on the brakes and compromised his entry speed, which then compromised his exit speed, we don't know. There wasn't anything
within the first 6 minutes of the session yesterday. We'll see whether that proves to be the case again. He set a 1:06.
A whisker away from improvement that time through.
Yeah, Van Gala's first sector in particular has
it previously been, but just lost a bit of time through what is the shortest sector, the final sector. It only takes them.
Pirelli is pretty much solidified. All of them are in the pit lane. All eyes